Iman, a quiet 12-year-old with a sketchbook full of dreams, and Kofi, her 13-year-old protector, were inseparable. Their friendship blossomed under the shade of the old oak tree at school, where Iman's artistic soul found solace. Kofi, a budding leader, always stood as a shield against the taunts of the school bullies who mocked Iman's quiet nature and unique art. One day, the bullies' cruelty escalated. They snatched Iman's notebook, tearing pages from her carefully crafted poems, their laughter echoing through the courtyard. Tears welled in Iman's eyes, a familiar sting of hurt settling in her chest. But this time, something shifted. Before Kofi could intervene, Iman found her voice. "Leave me alone," she said, her voice trembling but firm. The bullies, taken aback by her unexpected defiance, hesitated. Iman continued, her voice gaining strength. "I don't need Kofi to fight my battles. I'm not weak." A stunned silence fell over the courtyard. Amina, their kind and observant teacher, approached. She praised Iman's courage, her words like a gentle balm on Iman's wounded spirit. "It takes true strength to stand up for yourself," Miss Amina said, her smile warm and encouraging. The bullies, ashamed and defeated, scattered. Kofi, beaming with pride, gave Iman a thumbs up. Later that day, under the familiar shade of the oak tree, Iman shared a new poem with Kofi. It was a testament to her newfound bravery, a declaration of her quiet strength. "It's not about being loud," she read, her voice clear and resonant. "It's about knowing your worth, even when others try to dim your light." Kofi listened intently, his heart swelling with admiration. He realized that true strength wasn't just about physical defense, but about the inner resilience that allowed Iman to face her fears and find her voice. From that day forward, Iman's quiet confidence blossomed. She continued to create, her art reflecting her journey of self-discovery. And while Kofi